In the last video, we were talking about that how we can find the list of authors based on the topical areas. But now we will expand our search options for an organizations by name, their published documents and their affiliated organizations. So we will click on this particular options, organizations. Now here we have to search the organization which we are looking for. Let's say I am going to search this university. So press enter. Now you would see that three different results are appeared based on our searched organization. So top one is always the options that we are looking for. Once you will click on the first top options that you are looking for, this will lead to another window. So here is a university profile that we are looking for. Now you can see that there is an options of give feedbacks. You can alert the documents and then, or you can export subject area data. Moreover, we can see that there are almost 5,000 authors associated with that particular university. This profile is automatically created when more than one documents matched with this affiliated organization. So if I click on the authors, this will lead to another window that you can see over here. Again, just like the previous process, you can click on all and you can save to your author list or to the existing list. So there is an option that you can utilize and you can further see the details of the authors, their documents, affiliated universities, and further details. But for now, if you go back to the organization's profile and drop down, you would see the publications, the total documents is 12,081 associated with this particular organizations. Now these publications have been divided based on the subject area, and moreover you can see the structure of the organization, and moreover you can see the collaborators of this particular organization. Let's say when we click on it, you would see that these are universities which are collaborating with this particular organization that we are looking for. So further you can see their documents and the documents of the collaborating universities with this particular organizations.